It's the weekend. Honestly, there's no need to rush. Can you feel it? Gravity's taking over us.
Hello. I'm here with my morning snag.
Morning snacks.
We've just been running a couple of last minute errands in Darwin. And we're about to head down to Litchfield. Yeah.
Excited.
Whoop whoop.
Can you feel it? Gravity's taking over us. Something in the air got me feeling like I'm upside down on the ceiling now. Don't need reasons. Slow it down, girl, you think too much. Gonna take it down. Are you there? Or stargazing? It's not that complicated. I don't care. Don't need labels. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. Baby, call it what you want.
You can't fit under there, just go outside, please. Come on. You can't go that way. You have to go
The door is closed.
Baby, call it what you want. Baby, call it what you want. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what your weekend. Summer breeze washing over us. Can you feel it? Energy every time we touch. Something in the air got me feeling like I'm upside down on the ceiling now. Body speaking, don't need words.
We're the weirdest place we could have possibly found.
We thought we were going to a butterfly farm, but
And you told us, I don't do butterflies anymore. No. You may be at the butterfly farm,
that's what it's called.
but there's no butterflies here.
Yeah. However, they do, in these really dodgy looking enclosures, have saltwater crocodiles.
He had a python back there, except there was no python in the cage. Leads me to believe there's a python somewhere around here right now.
There's just rabbits running around everywhere. He gave us carrots.
This is the weirdest place.
Very weird.
There's people like living in between all of it as well. It's really weird.
Very weird.
Baby, call it what you want. Baby, call it what you want. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want. It is what it is. Baby, call it what you want.
Bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Got tusk.
He's so scary. Wait, ready? Alright, you can catch. Ready? Catch. He can catch. Oh my god! Don't fight each other, please. Okay, you go that way. And you? Hey, hey. Oh, I put it in his mouth.
There's another one over there.
I think they're meant to be in there. The chicken. Oh, it's a beauty chicken. I don't know if they like the carrot. it go. Ready, go. I'm not going to catch it.
The one ugly fucker.
Okay, we escaped.
That was the weirdest experience we've had on this trip so far.
There was a lot of people and a lot of houses in there.
I think it's a front for illegal immigrant housing, and he just happens to have farm animals.
Yeah, he was like he was giving like Buddhism or a spiritual man. He was telling us that by feeding the bunnies and the animals that it's going to be like he's 12 and I'm 10 again, and
He was really trying to sell us on this because all we cared about was the butterflies, and then he immediately told us that at the butterfly farm there aren't butterflies, and so we were like, oh, well that sucks.
Very weird, very chaotic, slightly stressed. He just has rabbits running everywhere, and I'm kind of like, they are absolutely just not staying on his farm. They can go wherever they want, which is not good.
I don't think there's any animal care or sustainability here. I'm quite sad I gave them money.
But alright, we're off to a museum now.
Hopefully it's better. Can't be as ethically bad, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Bye-bye. About this castle, Braden.
It's a castle, a model castle, a castle in Czechoslovakia, built in like 1348. This bloke used to be a mine worker, and then basically got made redundant out of the mine, became the gardener of the town, and then hated this rocky outcrop. So to fix that problem, he built the castle on top of it.
Which is just a replica of a Czech castle. For no reason, he just built it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Random.
It's beer o'clock.
Yeah.
Belle took us to the magnetic termite mountains. Now I thought that meant they were made of magnetic materials, so I could throw a spoon at it and it'd get stuck. But then we got here and she told me that not only was I misunderstood, it was actually just that they face north to south.
Yeah, which is cool. The termites made all of their mounds face north to south.
But then they can just look at their neighbours and be like, well, that guy made it north to south, so I'll just do the same.
It's got to do
I
with
wanted to throw spoons.
temperature management or something like that.
It's alright, it's still pretty cool.
Falls.
It's pretty cool. A bit busy, but cool.
Very cool. Very busy. You can see by all the people there, but was cool. Yeah. Get out of my face.
Hey, we're at Buley Rockhole.
Buley? Don't know. Rockhole.
Looks cool so far. We're gonna find out where we actually can swim. Hello. It's like ice water.
Yeah, like it's freezing cold.
From the log.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
So strong.
Yeah.
Such a strong woman.
Huh?
Said, hey, look. It's cold.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That top part is so cool. It's like swallowing water. shower temperature.
Yeah.
Dub. Yeah. We just finished up at Wangi Falls. This could be top one waterfall we've been to so far.
Well, it's top one for me. Braden reckons maybe Edith still wins.
Maybe, yeah. But it was pretty magical. I mean, you would have seen the footage. That was pretty sick. We're now at Wangi Cafe, having some lunch. Then we go over to the Cascades, see how that is. But that was definitely cool.
Yeah.
We got here early and so it was really quiet. There's not many people in there at all. And now it's starting to get busy, so we're pretty glad we did it in this order.
Yeah. There was like a pool beneath the waterfall that was really nice and warm. You could jump in. And there was, as well, we kind of like climbed up this rock face to jump in as well. They just set some big fish in there. It was cool.
Luckily no crocodiles that we think, but there could have been freshies we found out.
Yeah, it said that freshwater inhabited the area, which is a bit scary.
Well, yeah, we'll see you at the Cascades. So we're at the Lower Cascades.
Well, we're at the Cascades.
Sorry, yeah, we're at Cascades. We have an option of going to the lower or the upper Cascades. It splits off. It seems like maybe a few Ks in, maybe 1 or 2 Ks in. And then there's a difference of walking in which direction. We asked at the cafe which one was better, and she couldn't really decide. So
we looked it up, and like based on what she said and what we looked up, we think we're going to go to the upper ones first. And if we have time, we might actually also do the lower ones.
Because it was only 700 meters off of the split, so if we have time, it wouldn't be too hard to get there.
Yeah, 1.4 Ks there and back. So we shall see.
But we'll see you there.
Roll the dice, take that chance. Don't think twice, it's a bad romance. Liquor on your
Wet season.
shirt, just to kill the hurt. I'm not nice, but would you do that dance? I don't wanna think about the things we'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, would you make that move? It's a bad idea, we should think this through. Since we're standing here right now, boy, light me up a cigarette. If just one taste is all we get, then put my song on the cassette. Let's do a round Russian roulette. Boy, light me up a cigarette.
So you can go left of the curtain for the
Taste is all we get.
Yeah, okay.
Then put my song on the cassette. Let's do a round Russian roulette. Blinding lights never fade. Once you're in it, bet you can't escape.
So we made it to, whoo, slippery. We made it to the upper Cascades. There was 3 other people here, but they just left. There's 2 separate areas. So we have the entire place to ourselves. Just this absolutely insane cascade, infinity pool. And we get to swim around all of it. We can even go back further up to the actual Cascades. This is just the falls.
It was a really wobbly walk.
It's pretty hot. Like, I think it's about almost 30 degrees now. No shade and a lot of rocks, but this is pretty worth it. My whole sinuses get filled with water.
Oh yeah.
We got out of the pool we were at. Showing the camera. We got out of the pool we were at and found out that there was actually more stuff further. And there was a sign we missed that says Curtain Falls down this way. So we walked another 100 meters. There's another whole pool. And then we found out that maybe you can walk to the lower Cascades from the upper areas and you can just swim on down. It's like little tiny pools all the way. It's pretty cool. You just have to clamber around rocks. We made it. We can actually see the lower Cascades.
Yeah. So you can just climb down around here and then go down into it.
It's a 700 meter walk from there compared to the 1.9k walk we just did.
That's a lot nice.
And a lot shadier. So it kind of sucks we did it the way we did.
Ah well.
But we get to see all these cool pools on the way. It's time to go swimming. Whoa. There we go.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers. No secret, we were meant to open these when we got here, and then we forgot about them for like an hour, so now they're kind of warm.
They're just like room temperature.
Yeah, but still pretty good. Everyone possible. Especially if you can just do a 700 meters. Damn. We're leaving the Cascades. Found out that you can just hike on down through from the upper Cascades, like a few hundred meters at most, and end up at the lower Cascades.
Pretty good.
So now we're just doing the 1.5k back from there instead of like 2.9. Which is way nicer. That was pretty hazardous terrain.
As you can tell by Braden falling.
Yeah. Oops. Oh. Hello. While we're in Darwin, we met a couple. It was on the very last day we were leaving, called Stu and Lou from the ACT. He was a maths teacher. They were super nice, but it was a bit sad because we were leaving that day, so we couldn't really chat to them anymore. But they told us that they were coming to Litchfield a bit after us, and so maybe we would see them down the track. We just got back to the car, And on the front of the car was a message. Hi, Braden and Bella. Hope you love the pools here. We did. See you down the track, Stu and Lou.
Very cute. Hopefully we see them again. We didn't like see the car or anything.
Yeah, so yeah, we're hoping we can see them at some point and then have a chat with them again. But yeah, that is incredibly, incredibly sweet.
Magnetic time right now.
Oh my gosh, I think they actually are magnetic. Look at them. They're skinny. Stressed.
Alright, Bella, we're on a walk.
Yep.
We're going to Surprise Creek Falls. But we made a decision last night that was not normal for our plan.
That we made changes to our plans.
Yeah.
We're meant to stay here for 2 nights. We're gonna like spend the day, like morning at Surprise Creek and then like relax here in the afternoon. But it's kind of like an hour of like...
It's a 20k drive in between here and Sandy Creek, which we're going to go to tomorrow.
Of
but
like
it's 20k's
reasonably intense
forward driving. You're going like 20k's an hour at most, so it's an hour drive just in between these 2 places, plus another like 10k's after that just to get back on main roads.
Yeah, so we made the decision we're going to do that forward drive today to go to Sandy Creek this
afternoon.
So then we can also go to Sandy Creek today. So 2 waterfalls plus some forward driving. We'll do like a half setup.
Yep.
And then we're on our way off to, not Lake Argyle.
To Gregory. But yeah, we basically made changes to our plan to save us an hour of driving tomorrow morning and being up really early, assuming we already have, it's about a 5-hour drive from where we are, plus the added hour that we're doing before driving.
Yeah, it was
6 hours is a long time. So yeah, we'll see how the waterfalls are.
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't know what that...
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. When you're ready.
And then you fucking get like, oh, what the hell?
Update. We're driving out of Surprise Falls now. The falls are really cool for jumping, but not great for swimming.
Probably worked out in the best favour that we were leaving today, because I don't think we could have spent a whole day there. It would have felt like a bit of a waste.
We only had 4 minutes on the camera, so hopefully you saw enough of that. But yeah, we're heading out now, so onto the 4-drive part. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Update. It is 1:39. We're having a leftover pasta bake. Brendan's heating his up, but I just wanted mine cold. This is our half setup. There's no place for solar, so it's in the middle of our setup. No annex. But we're gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna go to the falls.
We're on our way to Sandy Creek Falls, or other known as Chijabadaheba Falls.
Oh gosh.
Wow, this is a precarious obstacle already.
I think it's like Tijnera.
Tijabeda.
Tijnera.
Something like that. So we'll see how we go. It's about, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's a bit warm. It's a 3K return hike.
It's not warm, it's hot.
So we're gonna have to do it slowly, but should be a nice reward. It's cool. It's like an alien landscape.
Yeah.
I'm playing Can You Spot the Waterfall in the footage?
I can't spot the waterfall, so I don't have a good chance.
Waterfall is crazy.
Alright, you ready?
Holy shit, that was high. When you're ready. Yeah.